All right, I'm going to show you how to sync your contacts from your Android phone to your Google account. First, go to Settings and scroll down to Accounts and Backup. On some phones, this is called Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts. Different brands name it slightly differently. Once you're here, find your main Google account. On my Samsung, I'll go to Manage Accounts, and under there, I have my Google account. I'm going to tap that, then go to Sync Account. And this view will show everything that's currently syncing to your Google account. So what we'll do is find the Contacts toggle and make sure that's turned on. That's step 1. Step 2, you'll want to make sure any contacts currently saved only on your phone's internal storage or on your SIM card get moved over too. Within Settings, scroll down to Google Services. Sometimes this will be just labeled Google, and on some phones you'll find this under Settings, System, then Google Services. Once you're there, tap All Services and find Google Contacts Sync from the list. Usually it'll be under the Backup and Restore group. Tapping in shows a little overview of your contacts sync settings. Mine shows sync is currently on, 12 contacts were synced 2 minutes ago, but if I tap here to show more contact sync settings, there's another toggle here for backup device only and SIM contacts automatically. Reading the fine print, I can tell I have 16 contacts that are only saved on the device or SIM, so those are currently not synced to my Google account. So, I'll flip the switch, and now those will get copied over to my Google account too. Now, if you want to make sure any new contacts you create automatically go to your Google account going forward, you can set that in the Contacts app. Depending on your phone, you'll either have Samsung Contacts or the Google Contacts app on your phone, so I'll show you both. In Samsung Contacts, tap those 3 dots, go to Settings, and find Default Storage Location. Mine's currently set to Phone, but I can switch it to my Google account instead. And after that, every new contact I create gets stored there automatically. If you're using the Google Contacts app, similar process, the app just looks a little different. Tap your profile picture, go to Contact Settings, and here you'll find Default Account for New Contacts. You can set it to Device and Google, or Device Only. So if you want your contacts synced to your Google account, just make sure it's set to include the Google Backup option as well. And that is how you sync your contacts to your Google account. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all!